Oh my goodness, the crypto world is in for a potential game changer. Binance, one of the absolute giants in the cryptocurrency exchange scene, is gearing up in a major way. It seems like they're preparing to welcome PiCoin onto their platform, and this could be a seriously epic moment. Just imagine, when PiCoin gets listed on all exchanges, Binance's move to accept it will be like a huge flag planted in the ground of the crypto universe. It's like a big celebration is on the horizon. The PiCore team must be over the moon right now. The data from the Binance Square official poll is simply mind-blowing. It's like a neon sign flashing how powerful and fast-growing the PiNetwork community is. All that support is like a strong wind pushing the idea of PiUSDC or PiUSDT showing up on the #1 in the world Binance exchange. This idea, which was once just a glimmer of hope, is now looking more and more like an inevitable reality. The excitement is palpable. If this happens, it will be a historic milestone for sure. It's like the PiNetwork is taking a giant leap towards taking over the global cryptocurrency market. It's going to be a moment that everyone in the crypto world will be talking about. We could be on the verge of seeing PiCoin become a household name in the world of digital currencies. So, all you Pi miners out there, keep your eyes peeled. The future of PiCoin is looking brighter than ever. Stay tuned because who knows what other amazing things are in store for us in this exciting PiNetwork journey. We're all in this together, and the best might just be yet to come. What do you think about this? Share your thoughts. PiNetwork faces volatile trading conditions amid market pressure. Despite recent setbacks, rumors of Coinbase listing spark hopes for recovery and potential gains. PiNetwork recently experienced tumultuous trading conditions after reaching unprecedented heights earlier this year. On February 26, 2025, the cryptocurrency's market capitalization soared to $19.2 billion, but it has faced significant declines, dropping to $9.2 billion driven by mounting selling pressure. The PI token corrected by 22% over the past 2 weeks, and registered another 8% drop within the last 24 hours. This downward spiral has coincided with negative sentiment fueled by the KYC deadline and other market stresses. Current data from PiNetwork's directional movement indicator paints a clear picture of market activity as of March 18, 2025. The average directional index stands at 18.3, indicating the trend remains weak. More alarming for holders, the positive directional indicator has dropped to 16.1 from 23 just 2 days prior, around March 16, 2025, signaling dwindling buying momentum. Conversely, the negative directional indicator has increased to 26.2 from 19.6, showing sellers are regaining control. These shifts confirm the existing downward trend, and analysts suggest if the plus DI doesn't bounce back soon and the ADX surpasses 20, PI could remain under pressure for the near term. Recent trends have pushed the Chaikin money flow, or CMF, down to negative 0.14, indicating significant selling pressure as the metric has stayed within negative territory for the last 2 days. This decline follows its recent peak of 0.15 observed early March, marking one of the many volatility challenges since the launch. Despite these challenges, some analysts are holding on to hope thanks to rumors of potential Coinbase listings after Chief Legal Officer Paul Grewal tweeted about Pi Day on March 14, showcasing designs baked with the Greek letter Pi. Market analysts speculate such blog could push the price to rally by as much as 30%, with platforms like CoinCodex predicting even larger upward movements. They forecast PI could skyrocket by 229.35% over the upcoming month, potentially reaching $4.64, presenting hope for traders and current holders alike. Currently, PI is trading at $1.35, showing around 7.29% decline recently. The mixed sentiment surrounding the token, augmented by the chaotic migration to the mainnet, suggests the path to recovery won't be easy. The migration's deadline has recently passed, causing significant panic among countless users who weren't able to complete their Know Your Customer verification process. Unfortunate consequences included some users experiencing their transferable balance resetting to zero. Though the reset was temporary, the looming fears of loss positioned investors to sell off more aggressively, prompting the alarming recent price drops. It's worth noting amid trading on exchanges like OKX where Europeans can buy PI and also receive promotional bonuses, sellers might begin capitulating if PI continues on this downward trend, potentially testing supports at $1.23. Should PI break below this level, it may plummet under $1.20 for the first time since February 22, 2025,